Hey everyone, welcome to another quick video in my blogging series on all things related to Microsoft and Dynamics 365. For those of you that may have just stumbled on this video and are wondering who I am, I'm Murray Fife, founder of Blind Squirrel Publishing, author of the Dynamics Companions Walkthrough Guides, curator of atinkersnotebook.com, and also a technical specialist at a small startup that you may have heard called Microsoft. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the embedded report options within Power BI to add dynamic queries to Teams channels. This will let anyone within the team use natural language to query data from Dynamics 365, Finance and Supply Chain Management, or any other product that you have linked into Power BI, without having to leave the Teams chat. This is very cool if you ask me, so let me show you how we can do this. So here I am inside of Teams. I'll show you what this looks like after we've finished. And what we can do is we will be able to open up Power BI as a single query report that we've got here. And then it's going to allow us to ask questions against the data directly here within Teams. So this is one that I created earlier on. And I could say I want to know the line amount by city, for example. And then I could say as a map. So this has gone out and just created a simple report for us that we can drill through into. But let me show you how I did this. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Power BI. And we're going to create a simple report that just has that one query inside of it. So now that I'm inside of Power BI, I'm going to go to my workspace. And you can see that I've got a number of items here. What I want to do is I want to just connect to the data set. I don't want to connect to an existing report. So I'm going to say I've got my sales order query here. I'm going to go and create a report against this. This is a simple view that just has order and line information. So all I do here is I just go out and add in a Q&A section into this. And I'm going to make this full screen. And now what I can do is I could just ask for the line amount. And also it's smart enough to work out that there aren't too many, two M's in amount. And this is now giving me my query. So I've got my report. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this and I'm just going to give this a name. So this is my sales query Teams. So now that I've got that, the report's been created. So now what I do is I'm going to go back over to Teams, and let me remove this, and I'll show you how I added it in. So I'm inside of, in this case, my supply chain management workspace, and I'm going to say I want to add a Power BI tile. Now what I can do is I can find my workspaces, and I could go down to my sales query Teams example that I just created, and add that in. That's going to add in a tab here that just has the Power BI report. So I could now ask it by product name. And now I'm seeing the sales by product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sales product category name. So now I've got a little bit of a matrix that I can have. So I'm going to say as a matrix. And change the formatting just a little bit. So now we can see that we have all of our sales here. And if I wanted to further query, then I could say, I want this just for 2020. And I'm going to have this as the confirmed shipping year, or actually, let me do this, 2020, requested receipt date. So now we've got the sales that we have for 2012 broken out by the product category name and the product, and also we've got some bar charts that are showing up here. So how cool is that? Now we've just surfaced our sales data within Teams, and anyone can just ask it anything they like in natural language. So if you like this video and want to show that you like it, then connect with me on LinkedIn. Then you won't miss out on any other videos that I'll post in the future. So, but that's all for today. Murray out.